Good day,
Grade 8
learners.
learners. I am Sir Joshua Fontilio,
And I am Ma'am Bernadette Asi.
and
And welcome to the fourth quarter of health.
Today, let us learn another important aspect that influence our health: the prevention of substance use and abuse.
Before we begin with our new topic, let us see if you can still recall some important information related to disease prevention and control.
For our review, here are the directions. Write true if the statement is correct, and write false if the statement is wrong. You have 10 seconds to enter your answer in the Google Meet chat. Let us start. Number 1. Organisms like bacteria and viruses are all over the environment. If your answer is true, that is correct. Number 2. Most common diseases are caused by tiny microorganisms called bacteria. If your answer is false, that is correct because the right word is pathogen. Number 3. Communicable diseases come to an infected person to another. If your answer is true, you are correct. Number 4. Hand washing is one of the perfect ways to break the chain of infection. If your answer is true, you are doing great. That is correct. Number 5. Tuberculosis is caused by virus. If your answer is false, that is also correct because the right word is bacteria. Thank you, grade 8 learners, for your active participation.
At this point, let us have a short game. This will give you a clue about the topic we will study today. This is what you have to do. Look at the picture shown on your screen. Type thumbs up emoji if it shows examples that are good for your health. And thumbs down if it shows unhealthy examples. You have 10 seconds to send your emoji via Google Meet chat. Are you ready? Let us begin. Number 1. Eating fruits and vegetables. If your answer is thumbs up, then you're correct. Number 2. Teenager buying a cigarette from Sari Sari store. If your answer is thumbs down, you are correct. Number 3. Doing household chores. If your answer is thumbs up, then you are right. Number 4. Chatting with your friends over beer. If your answer is thumbs down, you are also correct. Number 5. Playing sports with your friends. If your answer is thumbs up, you are indeed correct. Good job, grade 8 learners. We are glad to know that you have a good sense of what is best for your health, and I think you are ready to learn more about it today.
Let us begin our discussion about the gateway drugs. Gateway drugs, such as cigarettes and alcohol, are legal drugs that a non-drug user might try, which can lead him or her to more dangerous drugs such as marijuana and shabu. Types of gateway drugs, cigarettes, and alcohol. Let's start with alcohol. Alcohol is a colorless, bitter-tasting substance that humans have been consuming since ancient times. It comes from plants that underwent fermentation, the process of extracting alcohol from a plant or a fruit. An example of fermented alcohol is a beer. A beer is extracted from grains. On the other hand, wines are from grapes and other fruits. Types of alcohol: isopropyl, methanol, and ethanol. Isopropyl and methanol are used in laboratories and are poisonous and fatal if taken. On the other hand, ethanol is also called the beverage alcohol. Short-term effects of drinking alcohol: slurred speech o pagkabulol, vomiting and diarrhea, pagsusuka at pagtatae, drowsiness, pagkahilo, upset stomach, pananakit ng tiyan, headaches, pananakit ng ulo, breathing difficulties, kahirapan sa paghinga, distorted vision and hearing, malabong paningin at pandinig, impaired judgment o padalos-dalos na pagdidesisyon, decreased perception and coordination, pagbagal ng pag-unawa at paggalaw, unconsciousness, pagkawala ng malay, anemia and blackouts. Long-term effects of drinking alcohol. First is family problems that include marital conflict, domestic violence, and financial instability. Next, we have community problems in like peace and order and accidents. And lastly, we have health problems such as heart diseases, high blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, and stroke, acute kidney failure and chronic kidney disease, pancreas inflammation and swelling of blood vessels that prevent proper digestion. Lastly, we have weakened immune system.
Thank you, Sir Joshua Pantilio, for the comprehensive discussion. I'm sure our grade 8 learners now understand the risk of abuse in alcohol drinking. Now, we will focus on the other forms of gateway drugs, which is the cigarette. Tobacco is a tall, leafy plant originally grown in South and Central America, but now cultivated throughout the world. There are many species of tobacco, but Nicotiana tabacum, or sometimes called common tobacco, is preferred for producing present-day cigarettes. Cigarettes, a grounded and processed tobacco wrapped in special paper for smoking. Kinds of smoke produced by cigarettes. First, mainstream smoke. It is inhaled by smokers. Next, side stream smoke, inhaled by non-smokers, or it is also known as passive smokers. Third, it is called third-hand smoke. It stays on bed sheets, clothes, and other objects. Effects of cigarette smoking. High blood pressure or alta presión. Too much exertion of blood against the arteries causing damage. Heart disease o sakit sa puso. It involves the cardiovascular system. Body odor or masamang amoy ng katawan. Effect of cigarette smoke to your body scent. Bad breath or mabahong hininga. Foul smell exhaled from the mouth. Mga sakit sa baga, bronchitis, inflammation of the airways from trachea into the lungs, pneumonia, infection of the lungs, asthma, a chronic disease which affects the airways, cancer, a group of disease which makes body cells grow uncontrollably. Ways to prevent and control gateway drugs. Be a role model. Get educated about substance abuse. Get involved in drug-free activities such as sports, bands, and other academic clubs. Develop healthy habits. Resistance skills are skills that help a person to say no to an action or to leave a dangerous situation. It is very important to use resistance skills when someone pressures you to use cigarettes and alcohol.
Refusing someone who offers you to drink is easy. Follow the steps to help you handle the situations. Step 1. Just say no. Hey, there's a new bar in town. Let's drink.
No, I don't want to.
Step 2. Say no again and again. We'll just drink a few, then we will go home.
No, I really don't want to drink.
Step 3. Suggest another activity. Come on, it's just one time.
Can we just go to the court and play sports?
Step 4. Give a reason. We can play anytime, but the bar is always open.
I really don't drink because it's not healthy for me.
Step 5. Walk away. One bottle only?
If you want to go, then you can. I need to go home. And that concludes our lesson about the gateway drugs.
After realizing the different negative effects of abusing gateway drugs like the alcohol and cigarettes, we can now affirm that it can affect not only our body, but also our family and our community at large.
We are hoping that you can put into practice the different resistance skills we just showed you in this lesson. To test your understanding about our lesson for today, you will submit a written work and performance task to your respective MAPE teacher.
For your written work, you will make a reflection about abusive alcohol drinking. How does alcohol drinking affect the family, community, and country? Write your reflections on the diagram. You can find this material on your learning activity sheet. There is a digitized material for our online that you can edit. There is also a printed copy among our modular learners.
For your performance task, you will create your own advocacy material discouraging cigarette smoking among teenagers through poster making. You can make a digital or printed copy. This will be posted on our Facebook platforms with the hashtag YOLO No to Yossi. These are the examples.
We are thrilled to see your performance task and we hope that it will create an impact among our viewers, especially your fellow teenagers.
That is right. Our grade 8 learners might be young but have witnessed how their creativity and involvement in certain health issues can contribute to the betterment of our well-being.
Totally agree, Ma'am Bernadette. Don't be underwhelmed by small efforts, for this can multiply and someday can be a form of social movement. We all want that, right? Remember, stay away from gateway drugs. Once again, I am Sir Joshua Fontilio.
And I am Ma'am Bernadette Feliz S. Asi.
This is Grade 8 MAPE.